So we have an included angle and an opposite side 12 cm. So we're going to apply the hinge theorem in getting the side, okay, in getting the opposite side when the included angle is decreasing and when the included angle is increasing. So by hinge theorem, if the included angle is decreasing, of course the opposite side 12 cm is also decreasing. If the included angle is increasing, of course the opposite side is increasing as well. So let's take a look at for the angle measures. So if the included angle 60 degrees becomes 30 degrees, meaning to say it is decreased by half. So it becomes half from 60 to 30. If it becomes half, 12 cm becomes half also, which is 6 cm. Now, if the included angle becomes larger, or it becomes twice, so 60, if it becomes doubled, which is 120, the opposite side 12 cm will also doubled, which is 24. This will become 24 cm. But how about the angles 70, 80, 90, 100 in the angles 10, 20, 40, and 50? How are we going to get them? So first, let's get the smallest angle here, 10 over 60. So this is our given. So this is what we consider as whole, the given. And 10 is a 1/6 part of our 60. So meaning to say that we need to get the 1/6 of 12. So the next step, get the 1/6 of 12, or 12 divided by 6. So any of the two. So you have here 2. So you have 2 cm. You have 2 cm. So the 2 cm belongs to the 10 degrees angle. So for 10 degrees angle, you have here 2 cm. Okay. So for 10 degrees, you have 2. For 20, we get the fraction 20 over 60, and that is 2 over 6, or the same as 2 times 1 over 6. But 1 over 6 here is equal to 1 over 6 is equals to 2 cm. So this is the 1 over 6. Okay, but 1 over 6 is equals to 2 cm. So this will become 2. So 2 times 2, that will become 4 cm. So for 20 degrees, you have here 4 cm. So you have here 4. Now as you can see, take a look at the changes. You have a difference of 2 cm. So if we look upon it, you have here 8, 10, and become 12. So it will have the same common difference until you reach 12. Now if we're going to continue, you have here 14, 16, 18, 20. And if we have 110 in between, that's 22. 122, then 24.